Hey everyone, all the amazing people here meeting Kajal, who is one of the LinkedIn top voice as well. Nice to meet you, Kajal.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Absolutely. Tell us about yourself, what exactly you do.
Yeah, so I am building something which is into a tech, and we are actually bridging a gap between industry and the students, and which is the majorly not occupied industry. That's where we are working on, and it's engineering and management majorly. So where we are providing engineering student real time knowledge with our partnered companies, and they're able to gain hands on experience and how actually industry works and what are the real important things which are not being taught in the college segment. So this is the gap which I saw, and then we built something in that. Right now I'm running a team of 400 people, and we within a 2.5 year we have somewhere around 1 lakh and 20,000 students who have enrolled with us and upskilled themselves.
Wow, that's so amazing. 400 people, that's a crazy big number,
Yes.
right? Are you like a bootstrap company or like are you like a funded or startup?
So we are a bootstrap. We started in 2021 in the month of September. Since then, we have not raised any funds yet, and we have been profitable because as a bootstrap, it is your major thing is survival in making sure that you are profitable enough. So yeah, we have not raised any funds yet, but soon maybe.
I'm so curious to know like 400 people company, right? Like so many people struggle to build 5 members, 10 members team. What does it take to build such a huge team, right?
So definitely, I would say, as we have majorly team in sales itself. So when you are building something in sales and you have a huge team, you as a leader have to be always very energetic. You have to be like everyday enthusiastic. You have to be everyday like you have to get the motivation for them, and then after that, definitely the sales gets easier and the entire things get easier for people. So I feel to build that huge company, it requires nothing more than that, but it's courage and the guts what is really important. Plus you should know whether this scalability is important for your this business or not, because every business does not require that much of scalability, and in my thing my business maybe require that scalability, where we have also faced a certain issues and we have gone through that ups and downs and everything, and then we figured out what is something which can work for us.
Absolutely, that's so amazing. And coming Women's Day, in like, what will be the tips like you will tell to aspiring women entrepreneurs?
The first thing which I have learned from my entire journey is that always associate yourself with good enough founders or the people or the network, so that when you have that network, it's very easy
Yep.
to grow ahead and go ahead. Because when I was even working, I had the entire network of people who were like founders and everything. So I chose my network really well, and very I was very picky about it. So that's the reason it was very easy for me when I was going ahead with my startup. I had like a lot of strength from my people in the network. So that is something very big, I would say. All the women out there who want to build something, first start with building a good network.
Right.
Once you'll have that, you'll automatically start getting the ideas and everything. And these days women are smart enough, they know like they can execute things.
Yep.
People are executing on a very niche markets also, which people have not even seen these days. So that's amazing, and you just have to be like courageous enough to get this done. And it's okay if it is ups and downs are coming, that is entirely like part of the journey. You should be enjoying it. So my entire this 2 years have also not been so great. Like I have faced the last year huge issues with like mental pressure and a lot of things I have never had. So last year was my worst year of my entire life, and last year was the most exciting year of my entire life. I actually grew from that entire phase only. So I enjoyed my journey. I'm still enjoying my journey, and I would say whatever you do, like you just enjoy that. You keep learning from people, and that's it. That's
Absolutely,
required.
that's so amazing. Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom with all of us. Yep.
Sure.
Have a great day,
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
guys.
See
Thank
you.
you.